Hey, we're Joel and Lia, and today we're going to be talking about pronunciation, words that Americans say wrong.
Yeah.
Is it wrong?
Well, Americans.
Their way.
You know what? The title's going to be something like British words. British brand names Americans pronounce wrong. But let's be honest, it's everyone.
And everyone's doing it wrong, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, I've got the list on my phone, Joel.
Come on then.
And we're going to inject some of our personal ones as well.
Yeah, we've got plenty of them.
Right, first one, Amazon. Tell the story.
Okay, so us Brits, we say Amazon, and I didn't realise that was weird until I said it on my Instagram stories. If you're not following us on Instagram, go follow us. And I got so many replies from Americans being like, Amazon, where's the vowel? It's Amazon. And I was like, no, it's not.
It's Amazon.
It's Amazon.
So I think we've won that one.
I think we have, because it is legit. When you type it into Google, the pronunciation of Amazon should be Amazon, not Amazon.
But who created it? Isn't it American?
Which is why it confused me.
When he goes into, it's Jeff Bezos, isn't
it?
When he goes into board meetings, is he like, so today at Amazon, I think he might say it their way, but I still think it's Amazon. We win.
Okay, let's just give us that one, because I prefer it.
Okay, so the next one that they say is Porsche.
Porsche, oh yeah, the car. We don't say Porsche, and I don't think it's actually, I don't think it is Porsche.
No, it's Porsche.
Porsche, the E is silent.
Porsche. So you can say the but just do mute. So just be like
Porsche.
Exactly. I just
like
muted him as he said the E. So there you go.
There you are, it's not Porsche.
That one was so easy.
By the way,
go.
I thought that was your... When it hit the bed,
my God,
I was like, I've
so
just
funny.
hit her crotch.
Imagine, I was quite close on the other thigh.
It was. What I was going to say is, before you get to the next one, subscribe. We post videos thrice weekly.
Yeah, if we get this video to 10,000 thumbs up, then we will go somewhere and find Jeff Bezos and ask him if it's Amazon or Amazon.
We will. We'll go to every CEO of these companies and get the answer for you.
And we'll film them saying it.
Yeah, we will.
So there you go. That would be good, wouldn't it? That's motivation. Subscribe to this channel and do a thumbs up. Next one, Joel, is
IKEA.
We say IKEA.
We say IKEA.
They say IKEA. Is that correct?
IKEA or IKEA? No, I don't know.
They say, I've got it on here somewhere, the way people get it wrong is IKEA.
IKEA.
But we should be saying
IKEA.
IKEA. Oh.
How should we say IKEA? Oh no, IKEA is correct.
Oh, so IKEA.
Oh yeah, we say IKEA, and it's IKEA.
Right.
Damn it, the Americans are right on that one.
We're holding our hands up to that one.
We are.
Hands up. We've been saying that one wrong.
I still don't like the sound of IKEA, but you know what? You've won. Congrats.
IKEA.
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 IKEA. Do you like my new thing? I got it from IKEA.
Yeah, we say I got it from IKEA. IKEA. IKEA.
That's good.
That's really good.
Okay, IKEA. So that one, okay, we apologise. We've been doing that one as well. The next one on the list, which I know 100% Americans say wrong, is ASOS.
It's ASOS. It's ASOS.
It's ASOS. ASOS.
ASOS. I mean, it is a really weird name of a brand. Like, why?
As seen on screen.
As seen on screen.
Do you not know that?
ASOS. No.
As seen on screen. So this, now that it's been seen on screen, it's basically ASOS.
ASOS. I had to get out of my Tommy t-shirt because we're matching, and we didn't want anyone to think it was a secret spawn.
It wasn't. We'd love that.
Just like any video we do, they're like, "Was it a sponsored video?" I'm like, "No, if it's sponsored, we will tell you."
You have to slap it all over it. We have to put a big sign up that says this contains a paid partnership. Like, you can't miss it.
No.
Which are few and far between these days.
It's a dry.
Oh, it's a dry November. Anyway, the next one, Joel.
The next one is, it's Nike.
Nike.
Americans say Nike, we say Nike. But the Americans are correct on that one.
It's Nike.
It is Nike. It's after the goddess of something in Greek. You should know. It's a Greek woman.
I love that. Do you know what? I love that during like Greek mythology class at school, they'd be like, "You should know all about mythology. You're Greek.
You're Greek.
You should know everything."
Yeah.
I don't know what Greek goddess that was.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
The goddess of trainers.
I
don't know.
I would love to go as to Halloween as the Greek goddess of trainers and just be covered in Nike trainers.
Yeah, Nike
from hanging from every
yeah.
bit. Like a Christmas tree, your type of Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Covered in like little Nike trainers.
Oh, sick.
Stunning.
I've just remembered I bought a ball last year in the shape of a Diet Coke can, and I'm off Diet Coke.
I just remembered. I'm off Diet Coke.
I'm off Diet Coke, 6 weeks clean. 6 weeks sober.
6 weeks sober.
Honestly.
I mean, that's so mean, isn't it? That suggests that you're an addict.
Yeah.
But you were.
But I was an addict. I just didn't inject it. I downed it.
One clap for Joel.
3, 2, 1.
3.
Oh, damn it. 3,
2, 1. If you don't get it right, you'll get back on. You'll get addicted again.
Yeah,
so that's why we have to make sure to get that right.
Gosh.
Okay. Next one.
Next one.
Right.
Next one.
Spoken about it before. We'll speak about it again. It's Nutella. Joel would say
Nutella.
So I think I do it the American way. I think he does it the British way.
I think Nutella probably is correct from what I've heard.
Nutella.
But it doesn't make sense because
Nutella.
It's filled with nuts. That's why it's Nutella.
Nut.
As we said, it's not filled with newts.
It's a nut. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of Matilda where it's like, it's a newt.
Yeah, it's a newt. Yeah, you don't say it's a hazelnut spread.
Hazelnut.
It's a hazelnut spread, hence why it's Nutella.
Hazelnuts.
Hazelnuts.
Nutella. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe it is because it's Italian, so with their accent, it's Nutella.
Yeah, I just did French. That was weird.
I also did a voiceover for.
Oh, I've got to get the list back up. You were saying about Nutella, and then it cuts out.
No, I did a voiceover job for Nutella, but it was in the beginnings of. They were testing.
Spit it out, Joel. Spit it out.
They were testing a product launch and they weren't sure if they were going to use it or not, and they never used it. But even the client said to me from Italy, she was like, "What do you say in the UK, Nutella or Nutella?" And I was like, "Don't ask me. You're the brand."
Right. Next one, Joel.
Hermes. The trouble is, there's two Hermes in the UK.
Delivery service and Porsche brand. I was about to say scarves, but it's a handbag scarf. It's just a designer brand, isn't it?
So for that, I'd say Hermes for the delivery service and Hermes for the posh brand.
Right, let's find the correct one. The correct one is ding, ding, ding. It's not even telling me. I think it's Hermes.
Hermes.
I don't know, let's find out Hermes pronunciation in 5.
Hermes.
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 Imagine having this YouTube channel where you just say a word 3 times.
That's so good. 2.9 million views on Hermes. It's a 7-second clip.
Hermes. How much AdSense on that?
Not a lot.
Nothing.
7 seconds, isn't it?
Hermes.
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 So I hope everyone's got that.
There we go. It's Hermes, not Hermes.
Not
but
Hermes.
Hermes is funny to go into an Hermes shop and be like, we were in Vegas and there was an Hermes at the bottom of one of the hotels, and I was like, oh,
it's
Hermes. Everyone's like,
we
it
just
gives
love
you daggers.
cracking people up, don't we,
Yeah,
Joel?
we do.
Oh, I like the story about this next one.
Go on then.
It's computer software, well known. Adobe is what I call it.
The same, Adobe.
Yeah, but what did you used to call it?
Adobe.
Not even Adobe.
No.
Adobe.
Adobe.
Oh yes, yes, yes. I love editing on Adobe.
Adobe Premiere Pro, yeah.
Adobe Pro.
I thought it was Adobe. Apparently some Americans call it Adobe.
Adobe.
But it's Adobe.
Adobe.
Yeah.
Adobe.
Adobe. Adobe.
Anyway.
Adobe. Which one is it again?
Adobe.
Adobe. It's Adobe.
No, it's Adobe.
Adobe.
I lost my mind. Fell out the window.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, and the final one for this.
You guys know it well.
Yeah.
Say it with me. 3, 2, 1.
Adidas.
There we go.
Here's a boy saying it.
Adidas.
Here's a girl saying it. Adidas.
There we are.
Not Adidas.
It's not Adidas, guys. Come on. The trouble is, I think I said this in
every video.
Every video.
Please,
but I'm like,
someone go do it one time.
What's the? Well, it's something that I want to spread the word. You know,
I know,
the person
darling.
who created it, his name is Adidas.
Adidasler.
Adidas. It's not Adidas. But my question is, why have Adidas change their marketing based on location? Why is all the advertising in the UK like Adidas, 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 and the advertising in the US is Adidas, Adidas, Adidas? Where's that come from?
Is that correct? Is that what they're doing?
Yeah, well, but in America, all the adverts say Adidas.
Know your audience.
Exactly.
They're just working with what they've got.
But it's just like if we were to call ourselves like to Brits with Joel and Lia, but it's Joel and Lia to Americans.
Oh, we're Joel and Lia.
Where's the brand consistency?
That's true. You wouldn't get. What wouldn't you get? Evian water. Oh, you would in France. They'd be like Evian.
Evian.
But over here we're like Evian.
Yeah.
Do we say that?
Evian.
Evian.
I think I say Evian.
What else would they change for us?
I don't know. Nothing. Well, like maybe like Nike. I don't know. I haven't listened to Nike adverts, but maybe. But
they're not. They're the kind of brand that never say that. They just show it. They're like.
Yeah, they show the tick, the swoosh.
Just
like this, champion or champion.
Champion.
Tommy. Oh, I just poked your boob. To me, to you. To me, to you,
Tommy Hilfiger. What else would they just never? That was the last one, Adidas. But we need to get to the bottom of that.
Yeah.
10k likes, and we'll go and find Mr. Adidasler and ask him ourselves.
Yeah. And we'll ask him, what is that the key to success? Changing your brand name based on location? Because if so, we're going to change up our names. Joel and Lia in the UK, Lia and Joel in the US.
Fine.
There we go.
We've got to switch it up. Okay, that has been our video on pronunciation. Let us know what you want to know about next.
Yeah.
Let us know what we should be pronouncing in the next one.
Yes.
And we'll make a whole video on it.
We will. Subscribe. We post videos thrice weekly. Plenty more videos for you to catch up on. We've also got 3 other channels. Those 2 Brits, which
thrice channels, thrice weekly. Thrice more channels. It's just.
There's basically so much content. So there's one on UK tourism, so if you like that, go watch those 2 Brits.
We've got the Joel Wood channel, the Leah Hatzakis channel. There's just personal life content on there, as well as some other bits and bobs.
Yeah.
Go and have a look around. Go and have a nosy if you want. If you're fancy.
Sorry, I just hit fancy. Hang on, I've been saying there's 3 more. There's 4 more channels. You've got another channel.
Oh, I've got Property Couple as well.
Yeah, if you want to learn about property, go subscribe. How rude of me! All the time I've been like, we've got 3 more channels. There's actually 4 more channels.
We've got loads, but there's just so many. Guys, there's just so much content. Like, we can just about keep up with just existing through all this. Some people go, don't know how you guys do it.
And we say we don't know either. We're what's the word? We're angels, not that.
I thought you were going to be like, we're inundated.
We're inundated. We're just heroes, basically.
I've had to create like a board with like, okay, what's that channel doing? What's this channel doing? What's that channel doing? Have we got enough stuff?
Yeah.
The answer is no, we never have enough stuff.
Not for us, but there is enough stuff for you.
Yes, for you there is. Anyway, meeting over. Meeting adjourned.
Meeting adjourned. Go back to doing whatever you were doing before this. Love you lots, guys.
Love you lots, guys.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.